So what's the test ride route?
Go to the right, turn left, do a loop, go down 17, go up 95 columns.
Okay, we can do that. Appreciate you, man. Told you I was just looking.
Yeah, you're just looking.
Just looking.
All right, hear me out.
We'll fucking do it.
Yeah, jump it.
This does not like getting into neutral. Bitch. Man, that quiets down real quick. I like the seating position of this. This feels really good. I like this. I like this a lot. What was the test route again? I forgot what the test route was. You said take a left? Was it a left? Fuck, I don't remember. Oh, maybe it was a left out of the dealership. Oh. Now that I think about it, I probably should have taken that left out of the dealership. This is some bullshit. I'll be wasting all their gas. I forgot where he said. I don't know if this is a loop or not. This is the way that I'm going. Fuck it. Is there a 7th gear? No. Wow, that's so weird going into neutral. It just quiets down. I think I'm just gonna take it home. Fuck it. What are you gonna do, fire me? Being back on a Ducati feels so fucking good. Oh my god. Auto up and down? Oh, baby. I forgot I don't need to use the clutch. Wow! Oh, she'll boogie all right. Fuck it. Just bring it home.